Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class, let's move on to another topic in diagrammatic and graphical representation of the data, that is how to draw the frequency curve for the given data. In this class, let us solve some problems on this frequency curve. Take down the problem first. Draw a frequency curve to the following distribution. Here it is IQ, number of children. $70, $80, $100 and $120. Okay, so this is the problem they have given. For this problem, we have to draw the frequency curve. First step is we have to take x-axis and the y-axis. Since this is discrete frequency distribution, we will take the scale as it is. So in x-axis, I will take IQs. Here the scale, that point, x-axis will start from 60 and y-axis will start from 0. So from here, this is y-axis. In y-axis, this is number of children. Okay, next for IQ it starts from 60, so this is 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Okay, next for this y-axis number of children, the least value is 7, highest value is 27. I will take 5, 10 like that, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. Now I am going to plot the points, not the histogram. We are just plotting the points. For 70, number of children is 7. 70, it is 7. Next, for 80, it is 19. Next, 90, it is 27. Next, 15. Next it is 12, for 110 it is 12 and last one is 8. So after plotting these points, you have to join these points with a smooth curve, that is a freehand smooth curve. So it will start from the x-axis and it will goes like this. Again it should touch the x-axis. This is how the points, so this is our frequency curve, not the polygon. This is our freehand frequency curve. After plotting the points with the freehand, okay, with this we will join these points as it is comes. So this is our frequency curve. Let's move on to another one. Next one. Draw frequency curve to the following frequency distribution. Here they have given the midpoints. Frequency. It is 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Scale Bardravasi. Scale x-axis (1 centimeter) is equal to 10 IQ. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 children. frequency 5, 12, 25, 80, 10, 6, 2. So for this we have to draw the frequency curve. Here they have given the midpoints and the frequencies. So here I'll write the midpoints, and in this it is frequency. So in x-axis we have to take the midpoints. Already it starts from 15, 25, 35, 45 like that. So I'll start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. Next in y-axis it will start from 2 and it is till 25. So I will take 5, 10, 15 like that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. So let's start mark the points. 15, for 15 midpoints frequency is 5. 15 will comes between 10 to 20. For 15 it is 5. Next for 25 it is 12. It is 12. Next it is 25. 18, next 10, 55, 10 it is, next 6, and last one is 2. So this is how we have plotted the points. So now I should join these points with using a smooth curve. Freehand curve. So both the ends should touch the x-axis. Both the end, the curve should touch the x-axis. Now I should write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 frequency or units. So this is how we have to plot the frequency curve. Next problem. Next problem. Draw histogram and frequency curve for the following data. Here for this data, first we have to draw the histogram, then we have to find the then we have to draw the frequency curve. Okay. X-axis, y-axis. In x-axis we will take the class interval. In y-axis this is frequency. Okay. So here in x-axis the class intervals will start from 100. So it will start from 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. Okay. Next for frequencies, the lowest frequency is 7 and the highest is 27. So I will take 5, 10 like that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. After this, first step is we have to draw the histogram. You know to draw the histogram already. From 100 to 150 it is 7. Next it is 19. Next 27. 15, 12 and 8. Okay, this is how we have drawn the histogram. Next is we have to we have to draw frequency curve. For that again we have to find the midpoints. See, when we have whatever the procedure we have done for the frequency polygon, same thing. So we have to mark the midpoints of this frequency in the histogram bars. Now I should join these points using a freehand curve. It is just a freehand curve. So this is called frequency curve, or you can show this using the dotted lines also, this frequency curve. Next you have to show this, write the scale. X axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units. Y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. In each and every graph it is compulsory to write the scale, so that you will get 1 marks for that. Okay. Next one, another one. So this is the data they have given. For this we have to draw the frequency curve along with the histogram. X axis, Y axis. In X axis I will take the class interval. It starts from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And in Y axis this is frequency, and interval starts from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, because high maximum is 12. First you have to draw the histogram. From 10 to 20 it is 2. Next it is 5. Next 12. Next 7. Next it is 4. So after drawing the histogram, the next step is we have to find the midpoints for this. Now you join these dotted lines, join these points using a freehand, or you can use the dotted lines also. This is your frequency curve and this is your histogram. Now you have to write the scale. X axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay. Again I am repeating, in each and every problem it is compulsory to write the scale. That scale will also carries 1 mark. Next problem. Draw histogram and frequency histogram, frequency polygon and frequency curve for the following data. Class interval, frequencies 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 12, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 4, 8, 15, 20, 12 and 2. Okay. For this problem, we have to draw the frequency histogram, frequency polygon and along with the frequency curve also. X-axis, Y-axis. In X-axis this is class interval. In Y-axis this is frequency. In X-axis I will start from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. In Y-axis the lowest value is 5 and the highest value is 10. So I will take 5, 10, 15 like that. It is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. So now from 0 to 5 it is 4. 0 to 5 it is 4. First I am drawing the histogram. Next 5 to 10 it is 8. Next 10 to 15 it is 15. 10 to 15, 15. Next 20. 12. Next it is 2. So after drawing the histogram, next is we have to mark the midpoints. Here I will write the midpoint here. This is -5. Now you join these points with straight line. Okay. Then again you join these points using the dotted lines also. So this is your histogram. This is frequency curve, frequency polygon. Next is scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. See here, if you join the midpoints in the histogram with a straight line, if you join that will be your frequency polygon. If you join the points with our freehand curve, that is our frequency curve. Okay, freehand curve we call it as frequency curve. If you join that with the straight lines, that is called it as frequency polygon. In examination you may get this type of problem for 5 marks also along with the histogram. So this is very important concept. Thank you.